Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to finish up part 2 of the front brakes for the Yamaha XJ650 Maxim. It's kind of a pain in the butt. You'll see what I had to do, and let's get to it. Let's finish her up. Stainless steel, check it out. Okay, it's a lot of corrosion. All right, now we can get moving to the next step. Okay, I got the camera kind of set up hopefully so you can see this a little bit better instead of at an angle. So this little dust boot, it just goes right over, you tuck it back behind everything, and then you have, you guys can see that hopefully, and then you have this little metal O-ring that goes around the bottom and clips it into place. Now getting this little ring on might be a pain in the butt. I'm probably gonna have to pull this clip out to try to get enough space to get that back there. So here's the brand new brake pads. I did order these from a website that said these are genuine parts for the motorcycle. I mean, they look pretty legit. See the thickness difference, and they're not all scarred up, so that's really nice. Okay, so these brake pads will go, looking at everything upside down, just like this, okay? So you will insert the pin coming from the piston side. Start inserting the pin, and then the brake pads, this little piece that pops up and this piece, they go towards the back like so. And then I don't know if you can see it, there is a little groove right here. Little groove right there, and that little groove, this pin holds it on, so I just forgot to put the pin on. All right. You want to make sure that this pin gets into that little groove. All right, guys. So I did have to end up taking, and I didn't record it, but I did have to take the caliper completely off the banjo fitting, go put it on the workbench to be able to compress the piston even more. There was just so much buildup and corrosion, I guess, in it. But I put it on my vise, tightened it up, got it to compress all the way out. Now I have the new brake pads in there. I'm putting it all back together. Then we're going to put hydraulic fluid in it and see if the brakes actually work. If they do, that would be awesome. If they don't, then I guess I'm finding a new caliper or an upgrade. All right. So this is a 13 millimeter for the banjo fitting. Fitting back on. And then I'll get all the torque specs here in a little bit. And then it is also a 13 millimeter for this bottom bolt. And it goes all the way through here, goes all the way to the top. And then I'll see if I can get the camera on it. And then there's another bolt So let's see if you can kind of see what I'm talking about. It's right here. If you can see the threads right up there. So this bolt goes all the way through the caliper, and it's a 13 millimeter, and then at the top there's another washer and nut that holds it into place. So once I get this tightened up, then I'll put the top washer and nut on. Yeah, it's a lot of fun dealing with the old bikes like this one's, 43 years old or whatever, because sometimes it's really hard to find parts for them. And then for this particular bike, the Maxim, the way that they did the brake rotor, I've been trying to find different calipers and everything that would work for it. And it's not as easy to find than some of the other ones. So what I'm doing is I'm reaching through and going through the rim because it's very tight. On, they're working, so that's exciting. So we're getting a little bit closer to actually taking it for a test drive. I'm going to adjust the clutch because it's sticking. It doesn't want to go out of second gear, so I'm hoping it's just the clutch cable, but it's not going to really matter because we're going to end up changing out the clutch plates anyways. Well, until next time, guys, hit like, subscribe, and tell a friend. See you later.